be 2-ish hours. So that means by 2:15, you're gonna need to have something really solid to present.
Their goal is to figure out in 3 hours, how can they use things like batteries, solar panels, and whatnot, and actually develop a solution and articulate that very clearly in about 3 hours. And the entire intention of this is we want to train their critical thinking and problem-solving skills in a very short span of time.
Who is that? So if there's someone doing gene editing and there's someone doing robotics, can you think of what's a unique problem we could solve if we brought together this?
So far, I'm learning a lot of things from the hackathon. First of all, how to work in a very high-stress environment, how to work in a group where so many people are specialized in like various different things.
We actually came up with
In the hackathon, I learned about the ways to combine different problems, and solution isn't the issue. The biggest thing is to find the problem to solve.
So this is the time of the program where students are actually now presenting their ideas to the real world.
Something that I learned from a hackathon is probably just to the method of breaking down an idea and building a prototype within a really short period of time.
A key thing that I learned in hackathons also is that it's so important to have a skill of working together in teams, because you have to delegate each person to do a certain task so you can maximize efficiency.
Coming late to work one day, and the boss wants you to do a spreadsheet for the expense report.
Thank you. No.
Yes, boss, what do you want?
Today reminded me exactly why we built TKS in the first place. Every single person in that room surprised me. Every single one. These students didn't wait for the future, they started building it today. The scary part? They're just getting started.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Why is there a